I'll have Miss Fanny doing mics number 1 until number 4. And then Nani, you are doing John's number 1 until number 6. Mr. Amin is doing Mike's number 5, 6, 7. Annie doing Mary's number 1 and 2. Also Mike's number 8. And then I'll have Miss Fu taking care of Mike's number 9 until 11. Rosella is doing John's number 7 until 10. And then I still have 3 spots available, guys. Okay. Oh, small, huh? Okay. Meanwhile, let's review on the pronunciation of some words and phrases. Okay, let me check. Okay, let's check on Mike's number 5. Please, guys, pay attention to the word analyst. She is our senior financial analyst. Okay. Then move on to Mary's dialect number 1. The word is swamp. I was swamped with work the last couple of weeks. Move on to Mike's number 8. Pay attention to the word resources. The next one is production. And then next one is merchandise. Okay, next, move on to Mike's number 9. We have resources. And then okay, guys, I repeat again. Let me repeat. Okay. Hold on, okay, hold it. Jenny and Miss Lily. So I'll have Jane doing Mike's number 12 until 14. Miss Lily is doing John's number 11 until 15. I have one more available, guys. Well, okay, let's see. Okay, the next one, pay attention to the words on Mike's number 10 and Mike's number 9. On Mike's dialect number 9, resources. Mike's number 10 is task, your next task. And next we have John number 8. The word is data. And then next we have Mike's number 12. The phrase is 8 hours ahead. Okay, that's a plural there. Next, we have John's number 10. The word is saw. I saw them. And then Mike's number 13, we have the word create. And then the next one is John number 13. The word is tedious. Tedious. And there's Mike's number 17. The word is own. I leave you on your own. Oke. Sendiri saya oke. Oke. Let me repeat again, guys. I have Miss Fanny doing Mike's number 1 until number 4. Nani is doing John's number 1 until number 6. Mr. Amin is doing Mike's number 5, 6, 7. Ani is doing Mike's number 8 and Mary number 1 and 2. Miss Fu is taking care of Mike's number 9, 10, 11. Rosella is doing John's number 7 until 10. Jane is doing Mike's number 12, 13, 14. Miss Lily is doing John's number 11 until 15. I have one left, guys. Well, I'll assign that Mike's number 15 until 17 is taken care by Miss Fanny then. All right. Now, allow me to unmute you guys. Okay, let me mute you. Benny and then Nani. Usually ask to unmute.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Nani.
Good evening,
Okay,
Miss.
Nice. Good evening. This is that's Mr. Amin there. Okay, ask to unmute.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Mr. Amin. Long time no see.
I'm busy 2 weeks ago.
Yes, last week I didn't see you.
Yeah, I'm busy.
Oh, you were busy. Okay. Glad
Miss
to
Book,
see you again today. Okay, guys. Thank you for bearing with me here.
Hello, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Rosella. Okay, this is my first time being a host in the Zoom using phone, so it's a little bit
good
slow, guys.
evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Miss
evening,
Susan.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay, I think already all, huh?
Evening,
Give me 1
Miss.
second. I think so. Yes.
Good
Okay.
evening.
Now, good evening, guys. Nice to hear your guys here. Okay, hold on. Okay, from 8 of you guys, do you guys have the book in front of you or do you need the screen? Everybody, 8 of you, okay, 8 of you that's going is the one doing the role plays. Do you guys have the book with you or the file at least on your
Yes,
own?
I have, Miss.
Okay, Miss Lily got it. How about Miss Fanny?
Itu, Miss, yang soal-soal itu saya nggak pernah dapat, Miss.
Itu itu di-share di grup lagi di grup bukunya berbeda, di-share sepertinya harusnya sudah di-share oleh Master Tony hari ini. Kemarin saya sudah selesai tapi lupa share ke Master Tony. Jadi okay, Rosella, great, thank you. But you have this file for the conversation, right?
Oh, dikirimnya kemana ya?
Mr. Tony, today I have.
Today already share, right, Miss Lily?
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
Dikirim ke
perfect.
grup ya? Dikirimnya
Ya,
ke
di
grup.
grup, Miss Fanny, di
Yes.
grup.
Oh,
Yang
ya.
hari ini ada.
the exercise, or I'll send Mr. Tony will send it by the chapter because it's gonna be updated on the very last pages because that I have to make it on my own because it doesn't comes with this book like the previous book. Okay, so you guys, each chapter, you guys have to pay attention on the group when Mr. Tony send the file. Okay. All right, so Mr. Ami, do you have the file with you? Can you
No,
open
no,
on
I
your
don't
phone?
have. I don't have.
You don't have it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let me see. Okay, let me stop because I'm not able to open the file. This is what about this writing on the screen right now? Is it clear to you, Mr. Amin?
Huh? What?
No, the file are showing on the screen. Is it clear?
Yes. So,
Yes?
showing.
Okay.
You will show
Clear,
it.
huh? Yes, showing right now. Clear, right?
You will show it. I can screenshot.
Clear,
Yes.
but begin with John number 5.
5. I know I have to because I'm not able to open the file, so my daughter screenshot this, so I have to do it a couple times. Okay, I have to go back to the very first mics.
Yeah,
Okay,
screenshot. You go back. Okay.
stop and then share the other one. Okay, give me 1 second. Gallery.
Miss dealing what mean dealing?
Dealing with.
Number X, Mac number X.
Okay, hold on. Okay, let me.
You will be dealing number
Dealing
X.
we will be dealing with.
Yes. What mean dealing?
Dealing, it depends, berurusan, kira-kira begitu.
Agenda.
Berurusan.
This is the first page.
Yes, Miss. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let me try to make it bigger. Okay, there you go. Okay, guys, let's do this. Start with Miss Penny.
Yes, okay. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Mike.
Let me take you to your cubicle and then I will give you a tour of our facility. Here is your cubicle, your home away from home, from 8 to 5 every day. John.
Oh, very nice.
Drop your belongings here and let's go.
Okay, I'm ready, Mike.
That is Mary over there. She is our senior financial analyst. You'll be working with her in the future. Let's go say hi to her. Mary, this is John, our department news edition.
Welcome
That's gonna be.
aboard. Welcome aboard, John. I'm very glad to see you. Bye. Boy, I'm very glad to see you, boy. I was swamped. With work the last couple of weeks, but I can see myself going home at a more decent time from now on.
Thank you. I'm very happy to be here. Just let me know whenever you need me. I'm glad to be of any assistance.
I'm giving John a tour of our facility so that he knows his way around here.
See you later, John.
Okay, Mary.
We are now in the finance department. Next to us, on your left is the accounting department. On your right is the human resource department. Go downstairs and we are in the engineering department. Future John, at the end of the hallway is the production area. 70% of all merchandise is produced right here in this facility. We also have one smaller manufacturing facility overseas that handles the rest of the production. You will be dealing with Steve, the production manager. I will introduce you to him later because he is in a meeting at the moment. Let's go back to your desk so that we can talk about your duties. That is
Okay.
Like I said during the interview, one of your daily job is to deal with the bank to keep track of our financial resources. Every morning, you will access our account through the internet to get financial information.
I should have a login and password, right?
Yes, I will call our bank and inform them that you are our new employee. Your next task is to call overseas to get other necessary information.
What kind of data do I need to get from our people overseas?
You will need financial data about your current and future project.
Do they need any information from me?
Well, Jane. Jane, where is Jane? Jane.
Yes, you need to work with them on their budgets. You can fax or email them the information. If you need to talk to them, call them as soon as you get in. Remember that they are 8 hours hours ahead of us.
The fax machine and the copier are in the next room, right? I saw them when you took me around.
Yes, make sure that you create a file for each overseas project. You and I will review them at the end of every week.
In the beginning, can you review the files with me more often? I just want to make sure that I do my job correctly.
Yes, come to see me whenever you have questions.
Thank you.
15, Miss Fanny.
It is almost the end of November, so your next major task is to help prepare the budget from next year. You will work closely with Mary on this project.
That is a long and tedious task. There will be a lot of calculations and a lot of questions to ask, right?
Yes, yes. So it is better that both of you start working on this project as soon as possible.
I will get together with Mary soon.
Okay, that should be enough for now. I leave you on your own to get organized.
Thank you, Mike.
Well, finally we did it. Okay, very good, guys. Okay, hold it. Try to mute so there is no sound here. 1 second. Okay, now I'm going to review a little bit, okay? We have Mike's number 5, okay? Mike's number 5, remember the words analyze. The financial analyst, okay? It's not analyze, okay? Remember, okay? Analyze is the verb, okay? Where is that? Analyze. Okay, let me share that. This one here. Okay, wrong one. Give me 1 second. Financial analyst. Oke. Nah, kalau analyze itu adalah kata kerja. Oke, kata kerja. Kemudian yang yang di sini adalah analyst. Financial analyst adalah orang. Is the person. Look at the Mike's number 5. Oke. Now, here is she is our senior financial analyst. Nah, ini adalah orang. Oke, jadi kedudukannya, oke. Analyst adalah orang yang melakukan analisa. Oke. Jadi pronunciation and then also the spelling is different. Okay. So the person is analyst, the verb is analyzed. Okay. Let's move on to Mike's number 8. All right, guys. Remember, okay, resources there. Okay, resources is a plural, so with the S. Okay. Nah, di sini resources ini adalah kata kerja jamak, jadi ada penambahan huruf S di belakang. Saat kita pengucapan pun harus terdengar jelas ada S ya. Resources. Okay, resource. That's the singular, and then the plural is resources. Okay, sounds different, right, guys? And then the word is production. Okay, now it is similar. Okay, a little bit similar to Indonesian produksi. Okay, but in English we're gonna pronounce that instead of production, it's gonna be production. Okay, because production is a noun, okay? Production itu adalah kata benda. Kemudian kalau produced, that's the verb, okay? Produced, production, okay? And then we have the word duties, okay? Let's go back to your desk so that we can talk about your duties, okay? Duties, okay? Next, we have Mike's number 9. Mike's number 9. Okay, here. Every morning, you will access. Okay, now access here is similar to bahasa Indonesia, the access. Okay, access. Mengakses itu apa ya bahasa ini? Akses. Login lah seperti itu ya kalau akses masuk ke dalam rekening, oke? Okay? So every morning you will access, okay? Access. And then next we have Mike's number 11. Mike's number 11. Okay, I need you guys to pay attention to the word there. Now, it's similar to the word there, okay? Mike's number 11 here, guys. Okay. You will need financial data about their current and future projects. There, okay? There here is showing the belonging, okay? There ini adalah menunjukkan kepemilikan, okay? So it's similar to the word there. It's there, okay? That's it, guys. So let's move on to the discussion. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Next one, we're gonna do this. The discussion. This one. Yes, this. So last week, we finished the comprehension test, guys. Okay, you guys answer all the comprehension tests. So now we'll have the discussion, only 3 numbers, okay? Based on your experience like that, okay? Or maybe what you're expecting there, okay? Let's see, number A. What would you expect to do? What would you expect on your first day at work? Oke, apa kira-kira yang kamu harapkan terjadi, oke, pada hari pertama kerja? Oke, what would you expect on your first day at work? Oke, since this is a screenshot, I'm not able to work to write on the screen, guys. Okay, so just like talk about it. Okay, let's hear from. Okay, let's hear from Miss Lily, okay? Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now, Miss Lily, what would you expect on your first day at work? Apa yang diharapkan pada hari pertama kerja di kantor?
Maybe.
What do you expect? Let's talk about maybe the people. What do you expect from the people? The people around there, and then how's the environment, and then all the most.
I
Because
expect after my manager introduce me to another worker, another employee, they
kalau bahasa Indonesia kira-kira
dia
apa?
menerima saya dia menerima saya dengan senang hati. Mereka menerima saya dengan senang hati.
Okay, I see.
Bergabung.
Okay, I see. Okay, so they're like really welcome to you, right?
Yes,
That's how
Miss.
you say. When they welcome, and then they in English, when they welcome and then when they accept you, it's a little bit different. Okay, well, at least before they accept you, they have to have the warm welcome, a nice welcome, a greeting. At first, when somebody when you see somebody with a good intention, at least they have to greet you first, right? When
Yes.
somebody greet you, then you feel like comfortable, right? You feel, oh yes, they're really expecting me, and they really want me to be there, work for them, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I agree also. That's how I feel also if on my first day at work, okay? Actually, I will expect a nice, warm, heartwarming welcome, at least the welcome greetings from the manager and also the co-workers. Okay, well, that's the first thing. We want to be in a new environment that's happening to us, okay? Okay, I also agree with Miss Lily about that, okay? So that's the warming greetings, guys, okay? Very good. Thank you, Miss Lily. Let's move on to number 2, guys. Number B. Number B. Okay. Give me 1 second, okay? Mr. Tony, can we have a little bit time so we can have this 2 more numbers of discussion? I believe he will agree with us, okay? I move on to number B. Is it necessary to meet everybody that you will be working with on your first day? Why and why not? Apakah penting untuk bertemu dengan semua orang pegawai yang akan bekerja denganmu pada hari pertama kerjamu? Nah, berikan alasannya mengapa kita perlu bertemu dengan mereka semua dan mengapa tidak perlu. Oke? Let's hear from Jane. Okay, guys. Okay.
Yes, it is.
Yes, okay.
It's
It's
necessary.
necessary. Why do you think it is?
Because introduction to the workers is important to ensure that you will that that I can encourage with my team to ease to give an easy task maybe.
Easy, repeat the last one. Easy what?
To ensure to give the wait a minute.
Okay, so according to Jane, it is necessary to meet everybody that we will be working with.
Yes, to strengthen the teamwork and to fulfill the requirements, especially for deadline
Oh,
for
okay,
specific projects.
So the main point is when you want to meet everybody to be able to relate to them before you do the task, right?
Yes.
So okay, I
that's
also
what-
agree. Okay, before we doing the task, okay, we gotta know them first. Okay, that way it's not awkward when you're doing the work with a stranger, right? So
Yes.
first we want to feel comfortable with our co-worker. Okay, after we feel comfortable, we can build the relationship. Okay, relationship according to the work, right? Once you
Yes.
have a good relationship to that person, we feel comfortable. Of course, we're gonna achieve the good result of the task. Okay,
Yes.
very good. Yes, I also agree with Jane. Okay, thank you, Jane.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay, that's a good point there, guys. Okay, so let's move on to number C. Now, number C is, what kind of help should a manager give to his new employee? And then how should a manager train his new employee? Oke, kira-kira bantuan apa sih yang bisa ditawarkan oleh seorang manajer untuk pegawai barunya? Oke, dan bagaimana sih sebaiknya seorang manajer itu memberikan pelatihan kepada pegawai baru? Oke, let's see. Let's hear from, since we have 2 questions on that number C. Okay, let's start with what kind of help should a manager give to his new employee? Okay, we discuss that first. Okay, kira-kira bantuan apa sih yang diperlukan, yang sebaiknya diberikan oleh seorang manajer kepada pegawai barunya? Okay, let's hear from, where is Rosella? Okay, let's hear from Nani first. Okay. Okay, Nani.
What kind of help should a manager give to his new employee?
Kira-kira bantuan apa sih yang sangat bermanfaat? Oke, Now visualize that you're a new employee and then you have a manager there, and what kind of help you will expect from him that will make you feel comfortable in the new environment, in the new office there. Kira-kira bantuan apa yang diharapkan dari seorang manajer oleh pegawai barunya? Maybe at first you always
Maybe
relate. Go ahead.
have his job.
First, maybe he has to do this. Maybe this is for example from me. Okay, if I was the manager, okay, this is the help that I'll give to my new employee. Okay, I'll try to create an atmosphere. Okay, and then where this new employee will feel comfortable first. Okay, because he's gonna have a transition from transition into their new roles, right? They're moving from a different office, okay, different environment, okay, going to this new office and new environment, new people, okay. Now, so I'm gonna try to make them feel comfortable with that by offering the guidance. Okay, I'm gonna ask, okay, this is how, and then before the guidance, I'm gonna tell them, okay, this is the clarity of their job. Okay, I'm gonna explain to them, hey, this is your task, this is your job description, blah blah blah. Okay, now I'm gonna guide you through this. Okay, now that way they feel comfortable, okay, doing their tasks. Okay, if they don't get this guidance or the clarity of the task, okay, they're gonna like get confused and then doesn't feel that self-confidence there. Okay, that's according to me. So what do you think? Okay, kalau menurut Nani bagaimana? Oke, so jadi kalau menurut saya kalau saya yang jadi manajer nih, saya akan memberikan penjelasan yang sejelas-jelasnya. Oke, ini nanti pekerjaan kamu adalah begini, kemudian saya akan setelah menjelaskan, saya akan memberikan dia petunjuk. Oke, begini caranya untuk melakukan pekerjaanmu. Okay, that way they will feel comfortable doing their tasks, and then hopefully they're gonna get the high results. Okay, so what do you think? What will you do if you are the manager? What kind of help you will give to your new employee? Okay. Nani still here? Oh, okay, there she is.
Give the task before explain to him.
Explaining their task, yes, also agree.
Explaining the task. And training.
Okay, give them training, yes. Okay, anything else?
And give
I think that should be good enough, huh? Give them training and then showing them their tasks, right?
Yes.
Maybe one more. Give them the feedback, right? Okay, maybe like give them. Okay,
Beri
yes, you do
contoh apa?
this.
Give example the task to
Uh-huh.
memberikan contoh kerjaannya.
Oh, that's you just guide them. Okay, that you can just say guide them through. Yes. Jadi kalau guide them guiding itu ya kalau misalnya oke kamu pekerjaannya membuat laporan keuangan ini ya. Nah, kemudian ditunjukkan oke ini seperti ini contohnya. That's called guide.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so anyway, so the main answer is same like mine also, okay? So we also agree, Nani also agree that if she was the manager, she'll do the guidance and then showing what their task is, and then by giving them a clear training to them, right?
Yes,
Is that what you mean? Yes, also agree. Yes, so that's the main thing. Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you, Nani.
Thank you,
Okay.
Miss.
You're welcome. So that's the first question of number C. Now the second one is, how should a manager train his new employee? Oke, bagaimana sih sebaiknya itu seorang manajer itu memberikan pelatihan kepada pegawai barunya? Pelatihan macam apa sih kira-kira tuh yang diharapkan oleh, let's see. Oke, let's see. Let's hear from Jane, huh? Unmute.
Okay.
Okay, there she. Okay, what kind of train? How should a manager train his new employee, Jane?
In my perspective, the manager should train like should manager should train and with kind of the methods such as training like probation. Probation is the one of the example how to train to the new employees.
And then after you train them,
I think because I have limited knowledge about the managers since I'm not a manager, so
come on, you gotta you're not a manager right now, but you can visualize as if you're the manager right now.
Oh, I
That's
see.
good.
So I should
If
give the review
yes.
a review for each month to ensure that the new employees his new employees performance is fulfill the requirements before you pass the probation.
Okay, yes. So, okay, I also agree with Jane, okay? So, if I was the manager, okay, this is the trend that I'm gonna provide to my employee, okay? First, when they're already hired, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clearly showing them, hey, this is your task, okay? And then I'm gonna guide them, okay? And then for each task, this is my goals, okay? So I need you to check, let's say, maybe you have to make the financial report, okay? I need you to be able to finish this financial reports by what date, okay? That's the goal. You set the goal for them, okay? After that, they're gonna do their tasks on the goals, and then the last one, I'm going to provide the feedback to them. Okay. Because you don't just set a goal and then without feedback, okay? You're gonna give them the feedback, okay? Like okay, so this is need to be improved. This is already perfect, okay? So that way you encourage them, encourage this employee to to be better like that because they get some praise from the manager like that. Okay. Anyway, that's almost the same. Okay, the main thing is the same like what Jane's visualized as a manager. Okay, perfect. Okay, you have any question, Jane?
I don't think so right now.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Jane.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay. All right, guys. So that's what we learned today, the discussion. Okay. Very good. Okay. Nice to hear your voice and then be in the class and learning together with you guys for tonight. Okay. So I'll see you guys next week. Next week, we'll talk about the grammar review. Okay. Please review the file that Mr. Tony already sent to you guys in the group. Okay. That's really easy. Okay.
Thank you,
Talking about
Miss
the
Susan.
listen. Okay. You're welcome. Okay.
Thank you, Miss
Okay. I'll
Susan.
see you guys
Thank you,
next week.
Miss.
Welcome.
Miss
Bye,
Tony.
guys.
See you next
Have a good
week.
week.
Good
Yes.
night,
Bye.
Miss.
Good night.
Thank you, Miss.
Good night.